Hi guys, in this video we talk about Samsung Galaxy S24 versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. The Samsung Galaxy S24 launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $799. The body dimensions: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes in 6.24 inches height, width 2.99 inches, thickness 7.7 mm. The Samsung Galaxy S24 height 5.79 inches, width 2.78 inches, thickness 7.6 mm. The weight of the device is the Samsung Galaxy S24 comes with 168 gram and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 196 gram, and the both device come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it comes with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display type: the both device comes with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x 16mm color screen type, and the screen size: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes in 6.7 inches and the Samsung Galaxy S24 6.2 inches, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 comes with 1080p screen resolution, and the S24 Plus comes with 2K screen resolution. The PPI tendency of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 513, the Samsung Galaxy S24 416 PPI tendency. The refresh rate is same in both devices, 120 Hz, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 comes with 90.9% screen to body ratio, and Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 91.6% screen to body ratio. The both mobile come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and the both mobile come with 2600 nits peak home brightness. Go to the camera setup. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. And the Samsung Galaxy S24 comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto, and it also record 8K 30 fps video. The selfie camera: both devices come with 12 megapixel selfie camera, and it's record 4K 60 fps with front camera. The platform: the both devices come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 and the same CPU chipset Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm, and the same Adreno 750 GPU, and it comes with Android 14 with One UI 6.1 operating system. The memory of the device is: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 12GB of RAM, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 8GB and 12GB of RAM. The both mobile come with 12GB and 8GB of RAM, and the internal storage: Samsung Galaxy S24 comes with 128GB, 256GB and 512GB internal storage. The S24 Plus comes with 256GB and 512GB internal storage, and both devices have no SD card supported. The battery setup: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 4900 mAh battery, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 comes with 4000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus supported 45 watt fast charging, and the S24 supported 25 watt fast charging, and the both mobiles support 15 watt wireless charging, and it comes with 5G network support. Commons and feature is same. The result of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus scored 26 points and the Samsung Galaxy S24 scored 22 points.